Hello viewers and welcome to another edition of the program Talk to the Camera with me, Isatu Smile Sesay. Today the camera dey na Town community. As we don dey see outside different people where they live in different communities, them in different villages, them don dey involve in agriculture. Because of that, we get for talk to people where they do agriculture na Town for make them tell we how agriculture don help them alive. Wetin are the process where they do say they able for harvest waiting in the plant. As we deal with the people now, we go start for talk with them. Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name?
My name is Imam Sesay from Town.
Okay, so how many years you don't take Town?
Well, yeah, I don't say about 17 years.
Okay, so also you be there before you kaya?
I come out from Bompechi from Oyamba district.
Okay. So where you can so you dey at this village? What you dey do na so for you living?
Well, me na agriculture ni go kakin do ya for fence for live me life with me picking there.
Okay, so what you can plant?
Well, normally me na resa can plant for them variety of garden the way na cucumber and pepper na ki work.
Okay, so when you can plant like the cucumber and the pepper, when you can plant and the pepper?
Well, the way I can plant normally like me so I no get money no say I can stream more than thing than day. These 2 years they go so now I no get money I no able do them thing than day.
So it's right time when I can plant them during the rainy season, the dry season, when I can plant them?
Well, the cucumber now, no, in any time we can plant them. Normally, you no get time. It left to you no more now. Plant and dry season, rain season, you can work. You know, manage the action we can do. Then the pepper now, you get time like by then time now like August if you can plant pepper, September, October, you pick up. So now so can do things there.
But plenty people can say like where you put the seed, if you rain come plenty, the seed they was.
Well, it depends. It depends not on all rain can make it the worst because if you person no understand, but then thing then can make it worse. Like pepper, so now nothing we be say can get the time we can know some. We know some. If you know say this week why they know the pepper, you don't get forget heavy rain. We know some. It can come out well, but if you can't meet up the rain, it can make it worse. Like me so now I don't know for 17 years I know what in the category now working Wokuta.
Okay, so what about the rest where you the plant? So how many months rest you plant so right now?
Well, normally I can get a rock 5, I get a rock 6 working Wokut. 6 months, 5 months now I can Wokut.
So this land where una the plant so type rest una can plant here?
Well, me the rest way I can put the I get that is where then they call per camp. We get an away now we rest working plants. The other answer if I just go check an upline and don't know in quality but then say tell me say na rest we did well and just don't know son and I want try for transplanter.
Okay. So like if you don't ever plant like one bag rest?
Yeah, I can pass so sometimes so in years if I can plant then 2 bag then 3 bag. But this year also I've been the work. They don't pull me now. Others are going big number for liable. Guess who's at the work.
So if you plant like 2 bag or 3 bag rest, how many bag you can have?
Well, normally if the rest develop no more, you can get like then 10 bag for any each bag. If you don't develop no more, but if you not develop, we no go get fertilizer. Normally only 5 bag now you go get and then 3 bag then because of we no go get fertilizer.
Okay. So how agriculture will help you in life?
Well, normally, like what they try for talking, so no, it don't do well to me because why can I not go big to post again? You leave me like with me picking there.
Okay. So this agriculture where they do, they involve you picking them back on the agriculture?
Yes, I can involve in the because when it reach to the side where he self go able work, I can able land the how go work, all the combined worker.
Okay. So what's another message where they send out there to Sierra Leoneans them concerning this agriculture where you they talk so for encourage them for the plenty people self involved in agriculture? It's not the message we go send to them.
Normally the message we are go give everybody now we in no say if you work agriculture work we go make you no go make myself the big to them say love follow the full step we myself do love follow this agriculture work here. Because myself I don't know what you don't do a lot in my own life. So and myself the government let them look about you even inside Town with the still more than thing than the Town with the still one work but no get that facility for work for let them help me like a mission ourselves there.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so.
I'm Isatu Sanko.
Okay, so how many years you don't take Jotown?
And I don't take about 45 years.
45 years Jotown. What do they do now so for your living?
In a garden, I mean agriculture woman they do.
Okay, so this agriculture way you they do for this year, what you plant?
And I plant crane, I plant okra, cassava leaf. Now I plant this year.
Okay. So now let me talk about the crane and the okra, because we know say during now seeds you need for puts for the plants grow. So like when you can plant the crane and the okra.
Because like I they don't cancel. I be don't plant they go buy. I can't scatter the crane. Because I pay for dig and I buy them when I manure when I 100,000 for bag. So because of now they make the plaza the fresh. When you done I go buy fertilizer back. I put plaza and so the fresh. And now they get me living they live with me man because me man no well.
So waiting at the dome and you say fertilizer, you dey say dome, waiting at the dome.
Yeah, the chicken manure, now at the dome. Yeah, now they call dome. So the fertilizer, you are they scatter up and the plazas. Oh, they go buy now Waterloo. Now they go buy can scatter.
Okay. So when you can put the dome?
Well, before they scatter the crane, now the dome I first put, I scatter the crane. So when they come up now, at that time I will take medicine now I go and scatter. So now so they fresh more now. So I will able to go and quick I scatter back.
So how many months or how many weeks you dey plant crane for? Where you dey able for good time for go sell?
Well, crane are 4 weeks. 4 weeks. If you don't get manure, na 4 weeks you put. Yeah.
Okay. So what about the okra?
Okra na 43 days. Sunday we get then 3 months. Yes. Because of the day by season. Like this one now I plant so they can give flower now. So this time at the 43 days now.
So what about the cassava leaf? Because we can see then you also sell cassava, then they sell the leaf. So what about the cassava leaf? When you good time for get the cassava under?
Well, like me where they plant me cassava leaf so and they broke the head earlier. I go left and first you go up. So that time the way they because of first I don't get other thing under where for it. So I dey begin am broken we don't long now. We don't mature I begin broken now. So I roots I will get other thing back under.
Okay. So the one where they under you they sell them back on for it.
I dey sell, I eat so.
So how this agriculture dey help you in your life?
Tell God thank you because of you push me go before. Because once you don't get nothing, man not get that they pay for me picking them back for go school. And me too picking them don't sit swas. Although God no open way it for go college, but thank God because they help me. The other I'm going picking back they can go school. Upon this agriculture man will they leave. So I tell God thank you.
So what's another message where they send out there to other women them away? No, they do nothing and also not even want for going to agriculture.
Okay, me they tell me come man and say, yeah, me they beg them because you don't know they pay. Where you oak now the more you will get. But you don't know if fully and nothing no good. Not to for say now all thing when they say man all thing no you do woman yourself for make efforts. Because of in case of the man, till they can't see span and when you get to go help the man. So me they beg me come man they do Lord do the oak, what they want. If you plants. If you business they do them all out too. And like me so the agriculture do for me because when I get I do me business back. Again, me have table. I do pay me on agriculture, so I tell God thank you for that. So do me the big there, let them grab the old sites, let the old business.
So you can go sell this plaza.
When our tell I can go sell.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
Mori Aruna is my name.
Okay. So how many years you don't take Jota?
Almost 7 years I deal like Jota.
Okay. So I be there before you Kaya.
I'm been working at the army.
Okay.
So I've been with my barracks.
So since you don't Kaya, so 7 years now, what do you do now for your living?
I'm purely living in agricultural basin. As you can see me plants now, what they show now.
So what you can plant?
I the plant potato, cassava, I the plant rice, me nothing the behind the other and the under. And the swamp is not just brush till they don't work up.
Okay, and also you be the show yams?
Yeah, I get the yams so I can plant. I get buckwheat yams, I can see in my backyard. I plant then, mangoes, sweet sharp, pear, bananas, all in my backyard.
Okay, now let me talk about the yam. So how many months or how many years the yam can take before you harvest them?
Well, normally I can left and then 2 years before I harvest them. This one we do by and I just plant and over and at the 2 years this now they cancel. hopefully December I go pull am.
How you want for plant the yams? How you can dig the hole? Because we can see yams can get different shape.
I dey dig the hole to me waist now. They are the fen na manure. The rest we can cut na swamp. The grass where they left now they put inside the hole cover. They are make small hole. Up in the yams they are cover.
Okay. So how comes the yams can get different shape?
Well, it depends to the way we can make it hole. It depends to the ground. If you meet up that clay ground, it will come up fine. If you meet up rock, it will press. Others outside the ground, you know, man, they travel. So now I can bring them difference in the.
This petete leaf for we see so in your leaf different. This in your leaf it be big. Who's type petete where this they put?
This now that bread petete. Inside to me then can call I say munafa. In 3 months you don't come on that big one. As you see in leaf back it good for it. They give blood with this.
So you can sell the leaf?
Yeah, if time permitted like we nothing in the house. The woman can pick I go sell. They will left her. Because they don't pick her once, they know they touch again. Till it reach now for harvest.
Okay. So like the agriculture way you they do, like we talk about the rest and you say you get granite, where you they do and so now for sell or not for just the house use?
Well, normally now for house use. Because it's not easy now. If you say they sell, then you not get nothing again now. That the same money back they take for go buy. So I can normally sell if possible. Because if you plenty I can sell. For less small thing then I also buy them Maggi, Abas and other things.
So when you come into agriculture?
Agriculture I've been on the inside from me small one. The inside they mend me till I can join the army. I inside the army I still there. I did do agriculture, I did do farming, I did do swamp poke, I did plant granite. Them other commodities they always they see what they show you, so I've been do another the army. Yet back when I left the army now I can see them perma.
Okay, so how you can do for plants this, especially like what you want for plant granite or you want for plant the petete leaf, how you can do for plants?
Well, just like I they tell you, from the small they get now they sell, they are pay people then. Because me not get the energy again. I they pay people then do the work for me.
Okay. So how many months granite they take before you harvest them?
Well, normally 3 months. Then granite they take before harvest. If we plant inside May, early, inside August, we can harvest the granite.
Okay. So what's another message where they add to always to you don't say so concerning this agriculture business way they do?
No, man, we left on a help no more. Now I can't help. We tell the big one. If you then support me financially, we go do more than this. But no, the trend no dey. And now na pay we dey pay the youth man them for work. And when you not pay, you know, get big place for work. We say no more able pay na dey go work. So na for assist no more. We tell you other thing financially or seed there. And we able to make a large one of this. Me I promise you I will able to make something large past this. Because I can work large one way past this. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
And thanks to you.
Fatmata Conte. But my name would Sabi Shema.
Okay, so how many years you don't take Najo Town?
Not to just Ade, na Morabi Ade, na no ma de ka.
Okay, you they do agriculture Najo Town.
Yeah.
Okay, so this particular house I can do agriculture. So how many years you don't take for do agriculture then?
Na the 8 years this.
8 years. Wait till you can plant.
I dey plant plasas, cassava leaf, petete leaf. I dey plant rest back, na dey parut so.
Okay. So this rest where you dey root, we not say you get any flower. Oh. Why you dey root?
I dey root am. Where I go plant am. Inside 3 months, I dey harvest am.
Okay. So how then call this rest where you dey plant? Where you dey root so right now?
This na country rest.
Okay. So how then can normally call her?
Patimni, Pakrio, Patimni, Plaputemne, Woma.
Okay. So how agriculture do help you in your life?
Hey Papa, na that dey eat. Na that dey get. I dey support me pikin dem dey go school. And I tell God thank you.
Okay. So what about the petete leaf, the cassava leaf for you?
Let's leaf back na the same thing. We plant am. Na that dey pick. Me and me pikin dey eat ourselves. We eat.
Okay. So what are the message where you go add always you don't say so? Like a message where you send to the Ministry of Agriculture and also some of your company woman them way no get that way then they do.
me go send no more for make they help me more. If they help me, I go help do pass so. But when I no get help and I make they make no more small. La I send to that, let they help me. I able do what in pass so.
So now how many bag rice you plant so?
Yeah, now one bag now knows.
So when you nurse one bag, how much you can come out? How much bag you can harvest?
If you God put blessing no more, sometimes they get there 8, 10, 15 bag. If you God put blessing, grass no boku do.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Una sef don listen to people wey dey live na Joe Town community wey dey do agriculture, wetin dem say about agriculture, how agriculture don benefit them, and also how long e dey take for make dem go able for harvest wetin dem plant. Me na Isatu Smile Sesay. Until we meet again to another edition of the program Talk to the Camera, I say, tata.